Welcome back programmers. In the today's section we are going to talk about how you can create your own data and predict that data. So let's begin. You can choose any category you want and Google that category. For example, I created a data to predict the price of the mobiles. This is Microsoft Excel and I just created the four columns. First one is brand, second one is RAM, third one is storage and the fourth one is price. This is my own data. I created this. So 0 for Samsung and 1 for Apple. If the brand is Samsung and RAM is 3 GB and the storage is 32 GB, then the price is 10,991. So I just created all of this real data. I just Google all of these Samsung 3 GB RAM and 4 GB RAM and all of this data you can see in here, and this is the Apples. If the brand is 1, it means Apple, and the RAM is 4 GB and the internal storage is 64 GB. So the price is 1,09,900, and I just add only two brands, Samsung and Apple, and I just add only two RAMs, 3 GB and the 4 GB. You can add how many you want in this data. Even you can change the brand, like 3 for MI or 4 for Lenovo or any brand you want you can add in here, but you have to add the integer in here, because if you add the string like Samsung, Apple, so we are gonna get the problem later. So just add the 0, 1, 2 or any integer in here. Okay, now you can see in here I just add the real price. This is the real price. You can add how many features in this data you want, like I just add the brand, RAM and storage. You can add the models, you can add the battery, you can add the year of mobile, or if you don't like this data you can change the data, like predict the price of laptop. Just add the brand, RAM, storage and all of this, but laptops, features and labels. And remember, you have to add features in this area. You have to add first feature and the last column for labels. Remember, the last column is always labels. First all of these is features and the last one is labels. So now let's use this. You can see in here this is my data and I'm gonna copy the path. So I just copied the path and now I'm gonna open my Jupyter notebook. So in here I'm gonna use the Panda to read CSV. You can use any module you want. I use the pd.dataframe and pd.readCSV and I just paste the path in here. So this is my data. Let's run this code. I changed the variable because data is already, I used that variable in some other field. Okay, you can see in here I got brand, RAM, storage and price. So the last one is for labels and the first are the features. So let's create X equal to mobile of brand, RAM and storage, and obviously Y equal to price. You can see the X is brand, RAM and storage and Y is price of that particular mobiles. And you can see this is my plotted data in here. So that's how you can predict the brand, RAM and storage in X and store price in Y. Remember, Y is the label and the X is the features. So now let's assume and predict the different mobile price in this data. You can use any model you want, but I'm gonna use the linear regression. So I'm gonna import from sklearn.linear model, import linear regression. Now we have to predict the data. We just predict the X and Y in here because we have to use this data, but now we want to predict the actual price of the particular mobile. So now let's try. So model equal to linear regression and model.fit X and Y. You can see in here I just use the linear regression model. You can use any model you want. You can use tree, you can use TensorFlow, you can use logistic regression, any model you want. Now I'm gonna predict the price equal to model.predict and I'm gonna pass the X test. Now I want to find what is the price of, let's see, I want to predict this 71st row Apple 4GB RAM, 512GB internal storage and 1,19,900 rupees mobile. So let's predict this mobile. Now again, this is the very short data. I didn't create the long data. If the data is more or predicted value is correct, so you have to add more and more data in your Excel sheet. I just add only the, you can see in here, 80 data. So I don't know this is gonna work or not, but let's try. I'm gonna use this 71 row in here. So let's try. First I'm gonna hashtag it, then I'm gonna print. You can see x.tech of 72. It means 512GB RAM, storage, 4GB RAM and brand 1 means Apple. So now I'm gonna use this as the predicted X, because I want to predict this mobile's price. If the mobile price is near at 19,000 or 2 lakh, so it means our model is good and our data is good. Now let's try. So I'm gonna paste that x.tech of 72 in here, and then I'm gonna print the predicted price. You can see we got 1,16,041 rupees. It means our model is success. The real price is 1,19,900 and the predicted price is 1,16,041. So it means our model is kind of good. It means very good. So that's how you can predict the price of our own data. You can use any data you want and you can predict any data you want in here. So that's how you can predict your own data using the sklearn. But you can use TensorFlow too. You can even use the TensorFlow. In here you can see my code. So if you wanna know how this works, so just comment me. So that is it for today's guys. That's how you can predict your own data. See you guys in the next video. Till then, subscribe my YouTube channel, hit on the bell icon so you'll never miss my latest video. Thank you.